Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing video. I'm checking out this bike light here. This is a front headlight. I guess you'd call it a headlight. This mounts on like the front of the bike if you want to illuminate the path in front of you. So there is that, and you see it's got 3 LED lights right there. In the back portion here we have USB-C that's out. So this actually is I think 5400 megaamp hour battery on here, and there's a charging port to charge it up. So you could use this not only to power to be a good flashlight, but also to charge up your phone too if necessary. It seems to have different strobe there. There's a flashing one. So if you're riding your bike or something, this has an SOS feature. It has these ones, and then you can turn it to that. Dim it if you want to. And then double tap and you get all 3 batteries in there. So this has a nice little battery indicator on there as well, 91%, and also it tells you what basically what light format you have working there. So this is actually really bright, and we're gonna go out and test it too. Okay, easy to turn on and off, and it's nice and compact, nice and strong feeling. Let's see what else is in the box here. I mean, it's a solid, it's metal. I think it has an IP 5 rating, which is basically waterproof and dustproof. All right, in here we have the charging cord, and then a nice little mount here, so they can just slide on, locks into place. This can go right on your handlebars here, easy as pie, and I believe this also can be mounted with like a GoPro type thing too. So just slide that off. Has this little button on the side. You can just push that and that slides it off. If not, it'll just lock into place and it's not moving off of there until you push that button. So that's pretty cool. And then it also comes with a little tail light. So the tail light has a little charger there, charging cable, and then here we have this. So that's gonna just turn on like that, and it's gonna have a couple different modes there, just to be like more visible during when you're riding your bike or something like that. Super handy. People able to see you at night. Here is the GoPro mount for that also. You can see the normal GoPro will be the 3-prong thing going over that, and that'll mount for that goes on the bottom of this if you have a GoPro mount, so that's cool. And then this one just slides right on here, just clicks into place, just like that. And you can use this to click over a bar or something. If you have a bar on your bike on the back, that just goes over there nice and handy. Super easy to put that on there. This is lightweight, it's not gonna fall off of there. So that's pretty cool. All right, let's go test it out in the dark and see how well it works. Okay friends, so here we go. It has this nice battery indicator there, 89%, and it tells you like which one is lit up. So there's the low one, there's our middle one. You can switch back to that one's a little bit wider, a wider path there, and then this one is like more direct, and then you double tap it, and there you have both aspects there. Super bright here, you can see really far, and allows you to see, lights up the whole area. So if you're riding your bike, you got plenty of time to make choices. This is not a dim light, it's plenty of light here. So all right, let's check out the little red light as well. Okay friends, and we have our little reflector light here in the back, or our red light here, and you can see it from quite a ways away. For sure, I'm going to go back here and we can check it out all the way back here. But it's good visibility. That's going to make you people be able to see if you're riding your bike at a distance away, and they're going to take notice that you're there. So as you can see, this is pretty far and it's just easy to spot. I'm going to show you this right here now, just to show how impressive this light is. This is basically my whole side yard here, and it's really illuminated brightly with this. You can see the whole thing there. So not only is this like a good bike light, but it's also really compact, and you could use it for camping or all kinds of stuff, and you can just see how bright it really makes everything. It's really nice. Okay, well, not only can this brighten up everything, but it can also charge up your phone or whatever. So I'm just going to plug it in right here, and as you can see, charging 56%. And then we have our charging indicator over here, our battery charge. I think this is 6,500 mega-amp hours, which is quite a bit, more than most phones actually. So that should be able to charge my thing to full. That's really cool. So like I was saying, not only is this a pretty bright flashlight for your bike or whatever, but just look at the size of it as far as the amount of light it puts out. And it's very compact and small, and yet the amount of light that it puts out is really impressive. So there's that one, and then obviously the both of them is just brightens up the whole room. So I imagine this would probably last quite a while, 4, 5, 6 hours just on the one. And like if you have a power outage in your house or whatever, this has a nice flat bottom as well, so you can just set it right there on your desk or wherever and brighten up your room for using it to whatever you want to use it for, you know, in a regular normal room. But this is like a little study here kind of, and this just kind of brightens the whole thing up. Not like super bright like my overhead lights, but still enough light to be able to see or read and stuff like that by. So very handy device here. And the added bonus of being able to charge your phone or device on there is really cool too. So yeah, thanks so much for watching this video, my friends. I hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you next time.